up to $340,000 with this personal funding play. And I'm going to show you exactly in this video that perfect funding sequence when you get up to $340,000 with only 5 hard pulls. And we're starting right now. All right, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly the funding sequence in which order that you can go and apply for these personal loans to get up to $340,000. I'm going to show you exactly the data points. I'm going to show you exactly the bureaus they pull from and the exact amounts that you can qualify up to with these personal loans. So before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button, smash that like button. It really does help with the algorithm. Make sure you stay all the way until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, let me know in the comments if this is your first time here. Welcome to my channel where we talk about leveraging credit to create cash flow. We talk about business and we talk about finance. All right, so the first sequence, the first person or the first bank you should go to, I should say, is American Express. You want to start with American Express because if you are a current customer, they don't do a hard pull. All these loans are going to be soft pulls, but they will do a hard pull once you accept the offer. But American Express, they will do a soft pull. If you're a current customer, they're going to, if you're not, they will pull Experian. But you apply with American Express, you can get up to $40,000, no docs. Up to $40,000 with American Express, no docs. You have to be a current customer, so you get that. You get the soft pull pre-qualification, but they're not going to hard pull you if you accept the offer. So just keep that in mind. You can get up to $40,000, no docs. The second one that you can go with is you can go with something like a Navy Federal personal loan. The good thing about Navy Federal, if you are a member, generally speaking, they do not require higher limits on the personal side. You can get up to $50,000, no docs, especially if you have a good internal score with them. I can make a video about that, how you can raise your internal score with Navy Federal. It's just an internal bank rating system that they have on their own to determine the limits that they give out to their current customers. But I've seen people get have a 550 credit score, have a 600, 640, 620 credit score, get up to 50,000 with Navy Federal on the personal loans and their credit cards. They do pull TransUnion. So just keep that in mind. So we got American Express up to 40,000. We got Navy Federal up to 50,000, no docs. These are both no docs. Then I would go to SoFi. They go all the way up to $100,000. Can you get that? Probably not. Your credit score has to be A1, number one. Number two, you have to have a lot of income to get approved for a SoFi personal loan. But minimum 5,000 all the way up to 100,000. It's a soft pull. They do a pre-qualification, tell you the amount you're approved for, and tell you the interest rate before you accept. They do same day funding, but they pull Experian. So we got American Express soft pull, no hard inquiry. Then you got TransUnion. Navy Federal. They pull TransUnion. Then you got SoFi. They pull Experian. Then I would go to Best Egg. They do a soft pull pre-qualification. They tell you the amount, your interest rate, up to 50,000. Bad credit, okay. Generally, that means you're going to pay a higher interest rate compared to most, but you get up to 50,000, no docs. They pull TransUnion. Guys, let me know in the comments if I'm dropping some gems. Let me know in the comments if I'm dropping some gems. Then you would go to Upstart. This is a fintech company. They go all the way up to 50,000. The good thing about Upstart, they generally don't just rely on the credit score. They have all the different variables because they're going to be pulling data. It's a fintech company. They're going to be pulling data for your bank history. They're going to look at your qualifications as far as deposits. They're going to look at where you work at, your education, all these different variables to determine how much they can give you. But they go all the way up to 50,000. So no docs. So we got Upstart, Best Egg, SoFi. We got Navy Federal. We got American Express. And the last but not least, we got PenFed all the way up to 50,000, no docs. Sometimes they will request docs, right? Depending how much they can qualify you or if you trigger something with the soft pre-qualification, with something that's showing on your credit report, sometimes they will request docs. I want to preface by saying that. But normally speaking, it's a soft pull, pre-qualification, no membership required, no registration fees, $680 or higher, all the way up to 50,000. They pull Experian. So let's do a quick recap. Guys, let me know in the comments if I'm dropping some gems. So recap. So Best Egg pulls TransUnion. up to 50,000. Navy Federal up to 50,000. They pull TransUnion. Upstart pulls TransUnion up to 50,000. American Express, that shouldn't be an inquiry because you should be a customer. If you're not, then it will be hard pull up to 40,000. SoFi all the way up to 100,000. But realistically, up to 50,000. No docs. They pull Experian and PenFed up to 50,000. They pull Experian. That's my time. My name is Toby Rosario. Peace.